Hi guys! Today we're going to draw Forky.
Let's start with a simple shape. Draw a soft line like this. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Now wrap it around and close it right here. Let's add these little bumps on top. Just go up and down like this. So cute already. Now draw a curved line inside, like a little eyebrow. Let's draw the first eye, just a big circle here. Add the second eye. Make it a bit different if you want. Now draw the mouth, make it open like this. Wait, this is getting really funny. Now the magic part, add 2 little circles inside the eyes. Perfect. Now let's color it in black. And boom, now it's alive. Now let's draw the neck. Make it long and a little thin. Add a little body. Simple and small. Nice and easy. Now let's bring these lines down. Now right here. Now the legs. Draw little feet like this. Now connect these lines. And here draw 2 small lines. Now draw the arm. Make a simple funny shape. And now the hand. This is going to be so cute. Add the second arm. Same idea on the other side. And the second cute hand. Now let's add some details.
Subscribe.
Draw 2 lines on the body. Small detail, big difference, and a few circles. Oh, so cute. Now let's color everything, and don't forget, subscribe and send your drawings to our Instagram or Telegram. We love seeing your art and you might be featured in our next videos. See you in the next video.